Hello friends, welcome to the new video of Kalo Chess India, and in today's video we are going to learn about how to use Komodo Chess Engine absolutely free with using the software Skid. If you're not aware what the Skid software is, please click the I button above to learn about the Skid software and how to install it. So let's begin the video. The first thing that we need to do is download the Komodo engine completely free from the Komodo website. Komodo 12 is currently free. Komodo 13 and 14, these are the latest versions which are payable. You can purchase them if you want, but Komodo 12 is absolutely free and it's a very strong engine. So let's go for the free engine and try to understand the process. To download Komodo 12 for free, we need to visit this website komodochess.com/downloads.htm, and there you will find this list Dragon 2 Komodo 14. So Komodo 14 and Komodo 13 are for sale. If you want to buy them, you can buy them, but Komodo 12 is absolutely free. All you need to do is click on this icon over here, Komodo 12 free, and once you click, you can see a download happening there. This will download the engine on your machine. Now let's check how to use this engine and analyze your games. Once you open the downloaded Komodo engine file, you will see this kind of folder. You have to double click on this folder, then you will see Linux OS Windows. You have to click on the Windows folder, and inside the Windows folder you will see these three files. Now my laptop is 64-bit, so I'll be using this file. If your laptop or your desktop is 32-bit, you can use this one. Now you have to copy this file anywhere that you want to keep, and from there we will link it with the Skid. So I have extracted the Komodo 64-bit engine in my C drive chess material engines folder. You can make any folder of your choice and you can keep it anywhere on your system. Now guys, this is the most important step. Step number 3, you have to start the Skid software. If you are not aware what is Skid and how to install Skid, please click the I button above to learn about it and to learn about the installation process. Now let's come back to the software. Once you open this Skid software, which is a free software, we can click on Tools, then we can click on Analysis Engine. It will show you this window. If it doesn't show you this window, you can try the same process again. Go to Tools and click on the engine, and then it will give you the available list of engines that comes default with this Skid software. Now we need to add a new engine over here. So what do we need to do is we have to click on New over here. Once we click on New, it will open up the dialog box asking us the name of the engine. So here you can type Komodo 12, okay, and then we need to type the command, or we need to give the directory here. So here it asks us where exactly the engine is located. So it's in our C drive in chess material in engines. This is the engine, so we give it the path and we click on OK. Once we click on OK, in the list now you can see the Komodo is appearing, and you can select Komodo and click on OK. Once you do that, the Komodo engine loads, and now this analysis is being done by the Komodo engine. Now every engine has a different analysis. You can compare this with Stockfish as well. You can add one more engine, that is Stockfish. Let's go to, and we can click on Start Engine 2. So there are two engines right now. On left hand side it's Komodo and right hand side it's a Stockfish. So any move you play, it will just keep updating the possible moves that it will suggest you. You can make sure that whichever variation you choose to play in the opening or in the middle game, or whichever analysis you do, you can do it using either of the engines, either Stockfish or 12. So that's how guys you can use Komodo engine 12. There are different ways in which you can use the software. Everything is explained in detail in my video for the Skid. You can check there how to use these engines for analyzing your games or to analyzing any other games from the database. That's it guys from this video. I hope you liked it. Make sure you hit the like button, click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to click the bell icon to get updates whenever we upload a new video. Goodbye guys, take care until we meet in the next video.